Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2015 Honda CBR600RR. This bike has approximately 10,100 miles and is offered for $74.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. In addition to the stock features, has an awesome sounding Works dual exhaust on the back, along with a fender eliminator kit. Also has some nice adjustable levers and a smoked screen. The bike's been gone through by our service department. We did an oil change, safety check, put a new front tire on it, and got her all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.
Vroom, vroom.